Hi everyone, I'm Lalita. I'm very happy to make a short presentation of my thesis to you all. The topic of my thesis is stability enhancement of inverter dominated power systems using virtual inertia control. So this is a joint work done between Jidza Lab in Grenoble and Nanyang Technological University, Singapore. So I've worked under the supervision of Prof. Nuruddin Hadset and Prof. Sandar Bashir from Jidza Lab and Prof. Gui Hoi Beng from Energy Research Institute at NTU, Singapore. So the topic of my thesis looks at the high variability that is coming from integrating renewable energy to the system and the impact that this variability will have on the system stability. So as you can see from here, so in many countries, the share of renewable energy penetration is increasing because of the commitments to reduce carbon emissions. So as the ratio or share of variable renewable energy in the system's generation mix tends to increase, there are certain challenges that this high variability poses to the power system control. So the power system in traditional way, it is a load following system where the load is varying and the dispatchable generators try to follow the load. Whereas now with the transforming power system, there is variability from both the load and the generation side. Therefore, it challenges the existing power system controls, and we need to develop innovative smart solutions to be able to manage such a power system. So some of my research interests are the intermittencies that these variable renewable energies brings to the balancing control of the power system. So as you can see, this is a combination of solar PV and wind energy variability. So it has a high intermittency. And as you can also see from here, the famous duck curve of the California power system. So due to the high penetration of solar PV during the daytime, it challenges the power system controls ramping capability. So more and more penetration of solar PV will require a higher and higher ramping rate for generation systems, which is challenging. So this is one part of the problem. And the other is that these resources are inverter based, which means they are non-synchronous. That means they do not have the inherent inertia capability that synchronous machines have. Um, so what problems does that aspect cause? So for example, if you see the hamster stops running, the wheel still keeps spinning. This is what happens in synchronous machines when there is any large disturbance. The synchronous machines stored kinetic energy is still present and kind of reduces the impact of these disturbances in the system. Now, as we are slowly shifting to non-synchronous resources, this inherent inertia capability is absent. So what happens due to this is that when there are large disturbances, it can lead to a higher rate of change of frequency and a higher frequency deviation for the same set of disturbances. So this challenges the power system's existing control. And this directly impacts the frequency response stability of the system. So in my thesis, I'm exploring flexibility as a solution because both the demand and generation side are varying. So we look at flexible solutions in terms of demand response and energy storage to be able to provide smart controls that can maintain the system stability. So I look at three aspects of this solution. First of all, the energy storage mix. I look at hybrid energy storage as a solution to these problems, and smart and the development of smart control strategies, which can emulate this inertia that is present in synchronous machines in a synthetic manner in inverters. And finally, I study the impact of these smart controls on the other aspects of the system stability. So these are some of the contributions of my thesis. So first of all, the energy storage mix, the sizing and characterization of this hybrid energy storage. So I'm mainly focused on the combination of lithium-ion batteries and supercapacitors to be a solution, and proposition of advanced smart control strategies using predictive control, in this case for the inverter. And finally, I've done the stability analysis with these advanced smart controls that could impact the other aspects of stability of the system, such as the oscillatory stabilities. So finally, to validate the proposed control strategies and solution, we have simulated it on simulated and tested it on a benchmark microgrid, like as it is shown here, with different types of DERs, distributed energy resources, grid forming, grid feeding, and grid supporting DERs. Each of their control strategy is discussed and proposed in the thesis. So as a validation of the proposed control strategy, we have used a power hardware in the loop platform to validate it. So this is one interesting aspect of this thesis also, where the inverter and the proposed controller are present as the hardware, which is to be tested, along with the rest of the microgrid or the power system, stimulated in real time using a power amplifier. So this is a power hardware in the loop experiment, where the amplifier exchanges power with the inverter, which is like the hardware. So this is another aspect of the thesis. So finally, these are some of my publications if you are interested to know more about my work. Thanks for your attention, and very happy to share some aspects of my thesis with you all. And thank you to the Think Smart Grids community and the jury for recognizing the contribution of the thesis. It's an honor. Thank you.